At Puloon USA, our patented dispenser features gears and friction rollers for smooth dispensing. Most cash dispensing units use belts, which can cause paper jams due to ripped or crumpled bills. By using plastic rails to frame a series of rolling wheels, our dispenser functions like an assembly line, allowing for smooth dispensing of every bill. With our ease-of-use cash cassette, loading your ATM is more convenient. You can increase uptime and profitability simply by choosing Puloon USA. Our cash dispensing unit can handle the worst bills without jamming your dispenser. All of your taped bills will end up in the reject tray. As you can see, our cash dispensing unit has no belts or pick arms for your bills to get caught on. To purchase an ATM, you can go to our website at www.puloonatms.com or reach out to our representative directly at 1-800-819-6044. Here at Puloon USA, we offer a wide variety of ATMs to suit your needs. We look forward to working with you. Be sure to check out our other videos to learn more about how to get started with your ATM company.